Hello everyone, this is Joe with Speedway Motors, and we're here to do a 6-month check-in on the Swisstrax Ribtrax tiles in our shop. Now, 6 months ago or so, we installed these, and it only took us a few hours. So we learned that they were really easy to install, and when compared to like an epoxy where you'd have to etch and roll out the coating, it was a way easier, neater installation. And also, just immediately right out of the gate, they looked fantastic. So after 6 months of living with it and working on it in our shop, it's held up well and it still looks great. And other people notice it too. It really has just elevated the appearance of the whole shop to where when people walk in now, it looks like a professional space instead of just a greasy old shop floor. So the big question is durability. After 6 months, how have these tiles held up? We have completed an entire truck project in the shop in the course of those 6 months. There are a couple tiles that are a little bit scarred up, but it's not really noticeable. When we get to the point that they bother us, we can just pop up the tile and replace those couple that we have damaged. And you know, that's really a big thing with this floor. Another thing that we've noticed is that it sort of changes the way that we regard the shop floor in general. Typically, if you have a nice part or a painted part, before you set it down on the floor, you're going to put down a piece of cardboard or put down a towel. This stuff, you feel comfortable actually laying like a nice painted part on without worrying about the concrete getting it dirty or chipping your paint. We have done now 6 months worth of work in here, and honestly didn't do a lick of cleaning until after we had finished up our truck project, and weren't really bothered by it. You know, typically we'd be in here every week, every morning, sweeping up the shop, and just the nature of the Swisstrax, we didn't really need to. We did find that a shop vac worked well for picking up little pieces of debris that may have fallen through the cracks. When we put this down, we had a few concerns that were sort of unique to this type of flooring, and one of them was the obvious, what if you lose things between the cracks? And if we had one negative thing to say about this tile, that would be it. You don't lose 1/4-inch fasteners, you don't lose big things like that, but your little tiny number 10 machine screws, little tiny flat washers and things like that can fall through the cracks while you're working, and it's kind of frustrating. We have found, however, that pulling up a tile to retrieve whatever it is that you've lost is pretty easy. One of the other things that we were worried about was, because this is a small shop, we've got a lot of cars in here, we are moving them around on dollies all the time, and we were worried that the Swisstrax wouldn't allow the dollies to roll as they should, and in fact that has not been an issue. So in our final assessment, having lived with Swisstrax for 6 months and worked on it a bunch, we would absolutely do it again. Any small trade-off is more than made up for by the fact that this stuff looks phenomenal and has held up really well.